Welcome all of you for this course on advanced NMR techniques in solution and solid state. I am Professor Surya Prakash, worked at NMR Research Center, IISc as a professor and chairman, and I recently retired from the service of the institute. My main area of research is on the methodological developments in NMR spectroscopy to address the challenging problems in the analysis of complex NMR spectra of scalar and dipolar coupled spins. We design novel pulse sequences to aid the complex analysis of complex NMR spectra, simplification of spectra, discerning the degenerate transitions, accelerating the data acquisition, and enhancing the spectral resolution and also sensitivity of the detection. These are the directions in which we have been working. My group also works on enantiomeric discrimination and have designed number of protocols for enantiomeric discrimination in the solution state and many NMR techniques for enantiomeric discrimination in the partially aligned systems. We will also work on weak molecular interactions, especially the hydrogen bond involving organic fluorine in the synthesized molecules in our laboratory. Last year, I offered this course on 1 and 2 dimensional NMR spectroscopy, which is more of an elementary in nature, and where I covered right from the rudimentary concept of NMR spectroscopy, lot of things I extensively discussed, especially the range of topics, analysis of 1 dimensional NMR spectra, 2 dimensional NMR spectra, analysis of the heteronuclear spectra of heteronuclei, and varieties of things. Okay. And in addition to that, polarization transfer techniques, practical aspects of data acquisition and processing both in 1 and 2 dimensional NMR, and number of concepts involving the setting up of experiments of 1 and 2 dimensional experiments for varieties of experiment like COSY, TOXY, HSQC, and analysis of such spectra have been extensively discussed. And I also discussed relaxation phenomena, NYE, polarization transfer techniques, especially to enhance the signal of rare spins or dilute spins. But I was unable to discuss many advanced topics in the previous course. In this course, I will be discussing on additional topics which are not discussed in the previous course, such as Fourier transformation, important Fourier transform theorems, chemical shift and coupling evolution, pulse phase and receiver phase, the coherence pathway, coherence transfer pathway selection using phase cycling, pulse field gradients, use of pulse field gradients for selection of the coherent transfer pathway, the quantum mechanical analysis of the spectra of coupled spin systems, the product operators and the product operator approach to understand the evolution of magnetization in a given pulse sequence. In addition to that, I am also discussing relaxation mechanisms and their measurement, nuclear Overhauser effect, multiple quantum NMR, high resolution NMR in solids, especially focusing on magic angle spinning, averaging of the dipolar coupling in the spin space, cross polarization are important topics that are covered in this course. One thing I would like to say, although the participation in my previous course helps in understanding this course a bit, but it is not mandatory and it is not a basic requirement, as I have designed this course to take everyone with me right from the beginning. Of course, NMR spectroscopy being a vast area, still I am unable to cover lots of things. There are so many things to cover. Nevertheless, this course should provide sufficient knowledge required to understand NMR spectroscopy both in solution state and solid state, and for any individual who wants to carry out research in NMR spectroscopy. So, let us look forward. I would like to see the interaction with all of you, so that it is a mutual exchange of information. We can learn each other as we get along with this course. Thank you very much and welcome for this course.